This video is how to list factors of a number, and I feel like this one is needed for my students who are doing fractions and they're trying to find how to reduce a fraction. So an easy way to list factors is by making a T-chart. So I make a T-chart and I write a number up at the top. So let's say that I'm trying to find all of the factors for 24. So I know that 1 and 24, 1 times 24 equals 24. I know that this is an even number, so 2 must work. If I have to do some division over here, I could do 24 divided by 2. And I get 2 into 2 once, 2 into 4 twice, so I know that this is 2 and 12. So I think 3 goes into 24 because 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 goes into 24 because 4 times 6 is 24. Now when I get to the bottom of this list, I can see that 4 and 6 are very close to each other. The only number that comes between them is the number 5. And I know that 5 does not go into 24. So these are the factors of 24. So I could list them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So I could do that with another number. Let's try 12. So a smaller number. I know that 1 times the number always is the first set of factors, 1 times 12. 2 can go into 12 because it's even. Half of 12 is 6. So 2 times 6 equals 12. And I know that 3 times 4 equals 12. I know that I'm finished because there are no numbers at the bottom that come between 3 and 4. So then I know that those are the factors of 12. So if I list my factors of 12, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And from the other side of the sheet, I'm going to list those factors of 24 again. So for 24, I have 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. Now they all have partners, so this is another way that you could list your factors. Now the reason why I might need this is, let's say that I have a fraction that looks like this, 12 over 24, and I know I need to reduce that fraction. So it looks like if I go across my list, the greatest common factor that they both have in common is 12. So I could divide the numerator by 12 and the denominator by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 24 divided by 12 is 2. So 12 24ths is the same as saying 1/2. So this is how you could use factors to reduce your fractions.